3D printing may well be one of the biggest technologies of the 21st century, mainly because of the impact on industry and logistics, and the ability to be able to print what you want when you need it. Now let me explain the future of 3D printing. The biggest element holding back the unstoppable march of 3D printing has been the reduction of substrates, the time it takes to print, and the restrictions of size. We have almost overcome all of these limitations, and some say 2018 will be a monumental year for 3D printing. Now, a vast array of metals and other substances like wood, foodstuffs, concrete, and a wide range of plastics can be 3D printed. They can be printed in multiple textures, sizes and colours, you name it. As a result, 3D printing will be transformed into manufacturing processes and supply chain management. In terms of business, 3D printing will save us time and money. Instead of shipping things from far away where they've been manufactured, we will have the opportunity to make things locally. You can make 1 or 10,000 for the same unit cost, so suddenly making things locally becomes far more attractive. And given the shipping industry is one of the world's largest greenhouse gas offenders, think of the benefits on the environment. And what makes this even more mind-blowing is it's not just the small things that you can print. In fact, you can print bridges and even houses. 3D printing has the ability to help the housing crisis. Approximately 1.2 billion people live without adequate housing across the world. In the US, they can build a 60 square metre home for less than $4,000, which can be printed in 24 hours. 3D printing has a huge benefit and effect into deeper society if used in the right way. 3D printing could also improve our own health. The future of 3D printing food will actually allow us to create real food based on our individual and biometric data. This is only going to improve over time and become more nutritious and beneficial for our own health. A 3D food printer may become as commonplace in our homes as a microwave oven. So where does this stop? Who knows? It's an innovation that's literally unlimited in its potential of how it can change the future of our lives. As is becoming evident, 3D printing has the ability to solve a huge array of the world's most pressing issues arising from feeding a vast global population, excessive waste, reducing greenhouse gases, and more. 3D printers have come a long way, and the best is yet to come. The application really is limitless, and we're only just getting started.